Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have this differential equation that is about this one. We want to determine about the limit when s approaches to positive infinity, and we have conditions in here, and they ask you cannot allow to find the solution of differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. The first thing we need to swap about this one, go to here, dy dx go to the right, and now we have like this. And now this one, that is about first the derivative of x. Now we can draw about variation table. So that should be like this. So we start from negative infinity to positive infinity. We see that we have negative number 4, number 1, and number 6. They are not they cannot allow equal to number 0 in here. So we can put this one for the condition. So we put two lines. That means the value cannot equals in here. Next, we need to consider about the sign. So we put about y equal to number 7 in here. So I will put number 7 going here, 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 and here. So we have negative number 3.8 with 10 to the power of negative number 7. This is about negative in here. About this one, I will select y equals to number 2. So I will put number 2 going here. And we have 1.5 with 10 to the power of negative number 3. This is about positive number. I will select about y equals to number 0. So we have negative number 1 over 24. This is about negative. And the last one, I will select y equals to negative number 5 in here. So we have 0.06 joule. This is about positive. So we know that when this one is greater than number 0, f of y, they should increase when first the derivative of x is smaller than number 0, f of y should be decreased. So we have positive that will go like this. Later that they go like this. Now we know that when s equal to number 0, y equal to number 2. So we can use this table and we can graph about this one. So we have negative number 4, 1, and number 6. So negative number 4, that should be in here. Number 1 should be in here. Number 6 should be in here. Because we don't have the value at negative number 4, 1, and 6, so we need to use about the dot lines. So we have negative number 4, positive number 1, and positive number 6. So for negative number 4, that's the increasing. So that's the from here that will go like this. Because they increase over there. The next one, from negative number 4 to positive number 1, they will go decreasing. So they should be from here to here. The next one, we have the conditions y0 equals to number 2. That means when s equal to number 0, y equals to number 2. So number 0 in here and number 2 gone here. So the graph should be like this. We see that from number 1 to number 6, this is increasing. So if they increasing, they will go like this. And this one, from number 6 to positive infinity, they go down. So as you can see that when s approach to positive infinity, the line of this one, they will close to negative number 4 and positive number 6. So in this situation, when s approach to positive infinity, they will have about 2 values in here. That is about negative number 4 and positive number 6. So we have 2 values of the limit in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.